JDRF was founded in 1970 by parents of diabetic children who thought in their children's lifetime, through fundraising efforts, they could find a cure for this disease.
It is the premier diabetes organization in the world, and our mission is to cure type 1 diabetes and its complication through the support of research.
The research JDRF engages in is really focused on anyone with diabetes, but it's really particularly focused on children.
You know, I just gave a new family one of our bags of hope, and their little baby was 15 months old. You know, can't even talk to tell you how they feel, and the parents are just overwhelmed.
Young people have the greatest chance of survival, but they also have the greatest chance for complications. They have to deal with the day-to-day activities of school and testing their blood and giving injections or monitoring their pump, but also there could be complications with organ failure, blindness, amputation. It's a horrible disease, and the issue is it's a silent killer. JDRF really has a scientific continuum that requires collaboration, and the thought occurred to us that one of the best tools for collaboration is WebEx.
We have actually made WebEx the center of our communications environment. We use Cisco WebEx on the desktop of every employee.
We are going to be able to collaborate with our peers across the country in a way that we never have been able to do before.
Office staff and volunteer community and board members can collaborate on a daily basis across the planet.
We are funding research around the world, and we find the best and the brightest, and it doesn't make any difference where they are.
In order to bridge the gap with those researchers who could be in other countries, in other time zones, in pharmaceutical firms, in colleges and universities, we need technology that can close the gap between all of us and allow us to communicate and collaborate on the research that's being done.
Scientists have really worked within their own laboratories for some time. I think JDRF's methodology was a monumental change in the way in which they're used to doing business. WebEx is going to allow us to do that much more efficiently.
If we need to have collaboration beyond one-to-one, we have Cisco WebEx Meeting Center, so that we can in fact have multiple people collaborating simultaneously.
We are leading the entire diabetes agenda around the world. So the ability to find those people, to be able to connect those people, so that scientists can share their work, information is available to people, and the resources are shared, will help us accelerate our progress toward a cure, even in a more rapid way.
And I can just say this in all sincerity, I'm more optimistic today than I was even 5 years ago when I took on this job.